Hello everyone, my name is Viola. I'm interior designer for IKEA US, and today I'm gonna walk you through this beautiful room. This room was created for a couple who is artsy, into the fashion, and their main problem is storage and organizing. So we use international modern style to support their passion for style and trends. For example, this navy blue, very beautiful. Also, we use some earthy tones to ground this interior, clean lines, light surfaces. For example, this small bed is perfect for this style. And as the biggest challenge for this couple is organization, we divided this room into several zones. For example, this zone is a sleeping zone. Then we have storage and organization, we have getting ready area, and we also have a laundry solution. We divided this room with this beautiful curtain that serves not only as a stylish backdrop, but also affordable solution to create a walk-in closet in case if you don't have one. And you can recreate the solution in your home by just moving your bed into the center of the room and hang this curtain from the ceiling using our ceiling rail system. Comfort is a very important element of your sleep, and we were able to maximize it with different layers of textile. For example, these duvets, one of them is thicker, one of them is thinner. It's because we have different styles of sleeping habits. Let's move into the storage area where I can tell you more about this beautiful open shelving solution. First of all, this shelf that serves as an organizer, but also as a display for your most valuable pieces. You display it as an art piece here. We also have this storage combination. It's an open storage combination because we wanted for this couple to have an easy access to their items. For example, this section is getting ready for the day, so you can prepare yourself a night before, get your outfit ready and just hang in there, and in the morning it will save you so much time by just grabbing your piece and getting ready. And we have multiple drawers with the interior system that helps to organize, especially if you leave there as a couple. You need to know where the piece goes, so if you have dedicated space, it's easier to find anything. To maximize our storage even more, we created a laundry solution here. We all know there's never enough space, or there is no space for this guy, for the iron board. So we use our hooks to hang it because it gives you an easy access. You can take it out, put it back. We also have this laundry bin. It's on the wheels, so it's very easy to move your laundry. Just put it in there, get it into your washing machine. And there are some supplies for iron in there. And we also use this storage rack on the wheels, which is mobile, easy to move, and it gives you extra storage space in case if you need some for your extra clothing. To wrap up, we organize the space by dividing it into different zones. We use the curtain for that, a great solution to organize your small room and hide out all the clutter. We use the open shelving system for an easy access. We use comfortable textile, different duvets to maximize comfort in this room, and I hope you find it inspiring. I hope you like it, and if you want to find more ideas and inspiration, go to IKEA Ideas and Inspiration page, and see you soon.